Oh, you ripped that one too, huh? Good night, construction site. Down at the big construction site, tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, to make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Can you point out stuff for me? Can you show me the excavator? Can you show me the bulldozer? How about the dump truck? How about the crane truck? Crane truck. How about the concrete truck? How about the ladder? How about the pipes? Okay, good job.
Oh, what's
The bulldozer.
that?
Crane truck.
What's that?
The sun is set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn, rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough, tough construction. Working hard to help his team, Crane truck raises one last beam, reaching, stretching, lifting high. He swings the beam to the sky. Then off to bed. It's almost dark. Is it almost dark? He slowly folds his boom back in and with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says, night night. Night night, Crane truck. Does he say night night? Where's his bear? What's he got on here? What's this? Star. What are these? Pipes. Spinning, churning all day long, concrete truck sings his whirly song. Oh, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright. What is that?
A ball?
Water, right. Fills up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of toilet room. Like that concrete truck. What's this? What's this? What's that? You got your blankie. What's this up here?
Moon.
Yeah, moon. You need your blankie? Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place and dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. You gotta stay with Dad.
No.
You going to bed?
A ball.
You going to bed? All right, night night. See you later.
A ball.
Well, either you're going to bed or you're staying up here. One or the other.
Mason, the best part's coming.
Okay, night night.
No.
No, you're not playing. It's night night time.
A ball. Yeah.
All right, go to bed.
No.
Do you want to read the rest of the book?
Yes.
Okay. He lowers his bed and locks his gate. He rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights and shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Okay. You say night night to dump truck? Pipe down! That's the guy yelling pipe down. Just like you. You ready? The building he's living in. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears away to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! Say it. No, say roar. Say roar. Not scream, just say roar. Never mind. No one's as strong and tough as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He busts some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his softer bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Night night, bulldozer. That's a bulldozer. Say night night to him. Night night. Dirt. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs in this throughout the day. Arr! But now it's time to win this play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back, he sets his scoop down on the ground, and snuggles up without a sound. Night night, excavator. Say
No.
night night to him.
No.
He's going to bed. Say night night. No, it's all gone. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, Tim. Time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now